Welcome, Rhonda here with Foods 101. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this taco soup. Perfect for these chilly fall days ahead. The ingredients you're going to need is 3 cups of chicken broth. I'm using a low sodium chicken broth. 1 10-ounce can of Ro-Tel tomatoes. 1 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes, Mexican style. 1 large onion, chopped. You're looking about this size of an onion. 1 ounce package of taco seasoning mix and 1 ounce package of that Hidden Valley Ranch dressing dip. 1 pound of ground turkey. If you want to substitute this for sirloin, you be my guest. 3 large garlic cloves chopped. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1/8 of a teaspoon of crushed red chili flakes. 1 15-ounce can of pinto beans. We're going to drain these and rinse them. 1 15-ounce can of corn that we're going to drain. And 1 15-ounce can of kidney beans that we're also going to drain. Now to garnish the top, I'm using fresh cilantro. Oh, and it smells so good. Shredded cheddar cheese, and of course, our tortilla chips. So let me show you how simple and easy this is to get together. We're going to drain the liquid off the corn using a sieve. Put it all in there, and you'll see all this liquid that's coming out in the bottom. And we're going to sip this off to the side while it continues to drain. And now we're going to drain the pinto beans. And you may want to use a spatula to make sure you get all the beans out of there. You don't want to leave any behind. And you're going to drain the liquid off of your kidney beans. Over here to the sink, using tap water, we're going to rinse the beans off until they're free from all that liquid they were sitting in their can. Once you get all of that foam off, then you're going to let them drain super well. In a large Dutch oven over medium-high heat, we're going to add our olive oil with our onions. We're going to saute this for about 3 minutes until we get a nice translucent color here on our onions. After 3 minutes, we're going to add our ground turkey all at once. We're going to cook this till we can no longer see the pink. This will take about 4 or 5 minutes. Keep working it. No more pink on that turkey meat. If you're using ground beef and you have a lot of fat down here, you may want to drain it before adding your garlic. We're going to cook this for 1 minute. Get it nice and tender and get the flavors throughout the meat here. At this time, you can add those crushed red chili flakes. That is optional, but I just like a little bit more heat here to my taco soup. After 1 minute, we're going to add half the chicken broth with our taco mix. We're going to add it in all at once, along with our ranch dip mix. This is a very simple, easy soup to make. It's loaded with flavors, very delicious and hearty during these chilly days of fall and winter. It's even also good in the spring and summer. And I'll leave it up to you, whatever time of the year you want to make it. Okay, we're going to add the rest of our chicken broth along with those Ro-Tel tomatoes. I'm using the diced tomatoes with lime juice and cilantro, but anyone will work. And you don't want to drain it. Just remember, you don't drain your Ro-Tel tomatoes, nor do you drain your diced tomatoes, your Mexican style diced tomatoes. Give this a lovely little stirring. So simple and easy to do. And then remember that corn we had draining? We're going to add all that at once. Give it a lovely little stirring. Oh my goodness, and it smells so yummy. Remember the beans. We're going to add all those at once too. Give this a lovely little stirring. We're going to bring this up to a gentle boil on medium-high heat. And then we're going to turn it down and we're going to simmer it for 45 minutes. So let it come to a gentle boil. Now that we've got a gentle boil on our soup, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to turn it down to simmer, and we're going to let this simmer for 45 minutes. Stirring about every 5 minutes. And just look at those colors. It's going to be fabulous. 45 minutes are up, and it's time to serve this soup. And look how scrumptious that is. I can tell it's going to be packed with flavor. Look at that corn and those tomatoes. Topping mine with a little grated cheddar cheese with a little bit of cilantro. And I've got my chips here on the side of my plate. Whoa, and just looky here at those beans, that corn, that sauce. I got a little cilantro on there. Let's give it a try. Wow. One deliciously perfect taco soup. Flavors are fabulous from that taco seasoning pack, the Hidden Valley Ranch dressing. The turkey is seasoned beautifully. You will not be disappointed in this taco soup. Thanks a million for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Stay safe, and I'll catch you lovely people later.